In this video, you'll learn how to export test cases from Vansah as Cucumber feature files to be executed externally. Start by selecting all the test cases in the current list that you want to export. Now open the More Options menu. Now select Export. Select Test Cases and Test Script, and then click Next to continue. Now, open the File Type drop-down menu to choose your export format. Select Cucumber Feature File Type to export the selected test cases. Click Export to generate the cucumber.feature file. Now you can see the selected scenarios along with a Cucumber preview of what will be downloaded. Click Download Feature File to your device. You can now use this file directly in your Cucumber automation project. And that's it! You've successfully exported test cases from Vansah as Cucumber feature files. Thank you for watching.